Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you a simple way you can install Microsoft Office. This is not going to require any subscription nor any renewal. It is not a cracked version. So once you download it, you'll be sure that your system is safe and secured. And if you've installed Microsoft Office in your system already, you can do well to kind of uninstall it and install this very one. Is an updated version. You can still use it and it will give you exactly the things you need. If you've not subscribed to this channel, do well to please subscribe so that you get notified of when I upload new videos on this channel. Let's go ahead. Open your web browser. Once you open your web browser, you go over to google.com. Here now you are going to type Office Customization 2. Now this is the very one that we need. Just click on it. You just wait for it to download. Now from here now, you already know the architecture of your system. Either it is 32-bit or 64-bit. For mine, it is 64-bit. And just select the number of bits your system has. Here, you just click on it. Here now, we want to select this particular one, Office LTLC Professional Plus 2024 Volume License. Now you can just scroll down. Here you are going to select the ones you need, and the ones you don't need, you just uncheck it. Now for me, I think I just need Word, I need PowerPoint, I need Excel. I don't need OneNote, I don't need Publisher, I don't need Outlook, I don't need OneDrive, I don't need Access. These are just the ones I need. But if you need all of them, you can just leave it that way. Now click on Next. Once you click on Next, you are going to be presented with the primary language you are to select. Let us select English United States. Then click on Next. Just continue to click on Next till you get to finish. Click on Next. Click on Next, and then click on Finish. Once you are done doing all of this, you just click on Export. Just wait for it to come up. Once it comes up, you select, it's saying default file format. Just select this particular one, Office Open XML format. From here now, you just select OK. Click on OK. Here now, you are going to accept the terms in the license agreement. Once you check it, you click on Export. Now, this has been exported to our system. The next thing we are going to do is to click here now. And from here, we are going to open a folder. That folder, you can just give it a very good name that you can recall. Let's say just a simple name, Office. And take this to this folder. The next thing you are going to do is go over to your web browser and type again Office Deployment 2. Once you type that, you see this very one, just click on it and it will open up for you to see the content. You can see Office Deployment 2. You just make sure that the English is selected. Click on Download. This will now download for us. And the moment it is downloaded, you can just take it to this very folder. Just double click on this Office deployment tool. Now click here to accept the Microsoft Office license terms. Click continue. It will now ask you for the folder where you can easily locate it. Now you can click on the particular folder you actually want this particular file to be located. Click OK. Now this has extracted the files that we need. This setup and this configuration is just the two things we need. You may do well to just kind of take out this particular one and put it maybe somewhere on this very place. Now, having done that, we are going to prepare a terminal by going to search and type CMD. That's our command prompt. Right click on it and run it as administrator. Now here you are going to type CD. Once you type that CD, go back to that folder where you have this configuration and collect or get the file path. Come over to this very place and paste it. Press your enter. Now after this, we are going to do the next thing by going over to our browser and type Office Deployment to 2024. Press your enter. Now this very one that says Deploy Office LTC 2024, just click on it. Once you click on it, just scroll down from the result until you get to where it will show you Install Office LTC 2024 by using the Office Deployment tool. Here we have it. Now copy this console, and go back to our command prompt. Now from this command prompt, that's our terminal, you just paste that and press your enter.